Hey guys, what's up? We're gonna be back here working on the Honda Buggy, sand rail, dirt racer, ice racer, whatever we want it to be. It's a beautiful day outside here, not rainy like the last two. So essentially, as you've seen in the last video, we almost had the engine in place. We've got a little bit more frame modification that needs to be done. That needs to be opened up a little bit more for the belt. Yeah, this upper bar here needs to move a bit probably. We need to make mounts for all our suspension. Just a quick little segue, you guys might be interested. This K20A3 and all the swap parts and everything for it were originally planned for our EF here that we're going to build. Essentially the next few steps on this over here, I'm going to clean the engine bay up, shave it a little bit, get it painted. Same thing on the inside here. We're going to get some dry ice and get all the sound deadening out, get it cleaned up, get it painted. We also have a fleet of Hondas. That's essentially why we're building a Honda Buggy. We know them fairly well. So, all right, guys, stay tuned. Comment, like, subscribe. All right, in case you guys were wondering where we were getting all the suspension parts from, essentially we have an old EF Civic here. It was in a rear end collision. Got rear-ended doing about 60 by a 3/4 ton Ford. And yeah, we've saved a bunch of the parts for it, and we've been collecting parts for a long time. Take a look. Ugh. It is stuffed full of parts. So we need something we come digging out here. Keep all the parts laying around everywhere. Alright, check this out. Finally happy with the engine placement. So clearly we've had to do some serious modification to the frame right around here. It's all going to be fixed up here. We're going to throw a couple extra plates on it. Strengthen it up with some crossbars through there. But yeah, just sitting in there, just sitting nice and low. Looks like she's got a good amount of space everywhere. It's kind of hard to see. Yeah, looking pretty good. Just got the mount in the back all hooked up, ready to go basically. Transmission just squeezes in there. Pretty tight. Alright guys, stay tuned. We're going to be making some engine mounts for around here, somewhere off this top bar, and over there, somewhere off the side for the transmission. Check it out, guys. Custom mount. It's in there. It's gonna be functional. Pretty much fucking put that one right in its place. Passport. Passport and homemade. About halfway through the day today, we'll have that engine in. Check this out, guys. Solid mounted in there, factory mounting location. Custom mount made by that guy right there who's scared of the camera. We also did right here. Nice solid mount, factory location. Beautiful. She's sitting in there, no engine crane. Level enough for the girls I go out with. One last mount to make. Stay tuned, guys. All right, everybody. It's the end of day 3. Sitting in there nicely. All mounts hooked up. There's still some stuff we gotta do. Look forward to tomorrow. Gonna be strengthening the frame where we put the bolts through here, where we gouge the shit out of it there for the pulleys. There'll be a whole lot of welding going on to weld probably the rear mounts to the subframe and the mounts to the engine, and gonna make some mounts for the suspension. So a lot more to look forward to, guys. Stay tuned. Remember, comment, like, subscribe.